Hello students, today we will study about human female reproductive system. This is the diagram of female reproductive system. Actually female reproductive system is originated from embryonic Mullerian duct. Mullerian duct is the pro-embryonic duct that produce the system, like Wolffian duct that produce male reproductive system. Female reproductive system is consist of a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tube, and uterus, vagina, vulva, and a pair of breast. This is the diagram of a female reproductive system. This part is called as the uterus. This is the uterus. This is the fundus. The upper part of the uterus is fundus. This part is fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is also called as oviduct or salpinx. Oviduct or salpinx. The distal part of the fallopian tube is infundibulum. Infundibulum is dilated part of the fallopian tube. Infundibulum bears many finger-like projection called as fimbria. These are the fimbria, and one of the fimbria connected with the ovary, which is called as ovarian fimbria. Ovary is connected with the wall of the uterus by mesovarium or ovarian ligament, and ovary is connected with the entire fallopian tube through ovarian broad ligament. Here is the ovarian broad ligament. Ovarian broad ligament. This is the ovarian broad ligament. This part of the uterus is uterine cavity. This is the uterine cavity in which the baby remains throughout the gestation period. Gestation period starts from the implantation up to parturition, and it is about 9 months in human, and highest gestation period found in elephant, which is about 22 months, and the narrow part of the uterus is the cervix. Actually, the meaning of cervix is neck in Latin language. The cervix contains cervical canal. Here is the cervical canal. The cervical canal, this is the uterine cavity. Cervical canal connected with uterine cavity through a narrow channel which is called as internal OS. Internal OS. This is internal OS. OS for orifice. And cervical canal connected with vaginal canal through narrow channel, that is external OS. Cervix is a narrow part of the uterus. In women, cervix cancer is the second most common cancer after breast cancer. Actually, cervix cancer is caused by HPV. This is human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus also causes genital warts in both male and female. This part of the female reproductive system is vagina. Vagina or bath canal. The length of the vagina is about 10 cm. Vagina is a distensible tube-like structure that starts from the last part of the cervix up to the starting of vulva. This is the vagina, It is also called as birth canal because the delivery of the baby occurs through the passage. It is also called as female copulatory organ as it receives male penis during sexual intercourse. Okay. So let's start about ovary. Actually, a pair of ovaries are present in the pelvic cavity of female. Ovaries are present in the ovarian fossa of the pelvic cavity of female. Ovaries are whitish in color. They are two almond-shaped parts of female reproductive system. They are oval in shape. Ovaries are called as the primary sex organ of the female. Why? Why ovaries are called as primary sex organ of female? Because they produce ovum and chief sex hormone estrogen. Ovary secrete estrogen hormone. And estrogen is the chief sex hormone of the female. It is responsible for the development of a secondary sexual character in female, like broad pelvic region, breast development, high pitched voice, etc. So the most potent form of estrogen is estradiol. Estradiol is the most potent form of estrogen. This is also called as E2. This is the most potent form of estrogen, that is estradiol. Estradiol is responsible for the development of libido. So what is libido? Libido is the sexual desire for the opposite partner. It is the sexual desire to get opposite partner, that is libido. So libido develops by estradiol. So ovaries, both ovaries weight about 4 to 8 gram. Ovaries are mesodermal in origin. Ovaries are mesodermal in origin. So I have learned you about the 3 germ layers in first year. Germ layers, 3 germ layers. First endoderm, then mesoderm, and finally ectoderm. 3 germ layers produce different type of organs and organ system. So mesoderm produce ovary. Mesoderm also produce testes. Okay. The internal structure, then we discuss about internal structure of ovary.